Can technical solution integrated within your hotel help make your guests feel even more comfortable and enable your staff to work with better streamlined processes? We're confident this is the case. The hotel industry has to repeatedly reinvent itself in creative ways. Guests' needs are changing. Ideas such as digitainment, customization, ecology, new work, and workation emerge here. It's become increasingly important that staff are given a positive work environment. As an operator, your focus will also include aspects such as hygiene and safety, as well as boosting efficiency and reducing costs. And you should also pay special attention to the importance of secure when it comes to data and IP. The intelligent hotel can turn these expectations to its advantage, smartly networked for greater comfort with the optimized use of energy and efficient processes. The feel-good factor is the guest's primary concern. They should be able to find their way about straight away and, above all, have the feeling of being well looked after. This from entering the room for the first time until going to bed at night. The intelligent networking of sensors and actuators enables the purposeful use of resources, meaning that buildings can be used more efficiently. As well as saving energy, this also reduces CO2 emissions, and these are vital requirements for our future. Today in our showroom, we'll introduce you to a few solutions which are implemented using Jung and KNX technology. The RFID card reader automatically recognizes if a guest or a member of staff enters the room. A welcome scene, for example, is activated for guests, whereas only the light turns on for the employee with no air conditioning. The Jung system is compatible with other products. The design language is already reflected in our Corda unit, and it is technically integrated with the room. The network structure enables the guest to control functions individually or to group a number of functions into a scene. This is not just user-friendly, it's safe too. For example, with just one tap of the finger, the guest turns the lights on or off for the entire room. Would you agree when we say that user-friendly technology also means it can be used intuitively? With our Jung graphic tool, you can create symbols and lettering to show the guest what happens and where, using your CI font with our suggestions or your very own symbols. A small area transformed into something highly individualized and conveying an identity. Feeling at home, and still even better than that. The guest is able to directly play back their own music. There's also a panel enabling guests and staff to control the room from one central point. A central visualization point enables the statuses of individual rooms to be viewed and controlled from the reception area. KNX IP Secure can be used to create a link to your PMS, for example. The integration of this system into the network also means you can control specific areas within the hotel. This visualization can be uniformly configured for every building. And this means all staff members can manage the system immediately wherever they are. Design, finishing, and quality are vital for us. It's important that our control elements integrate themselves into the interior room concept. That's how we become part of the guest journey, in a timeless and sensitive fashion. When it comes to materials, we focus on genuine metals, stainless steel, aluminium, brass, and gold, to match up with the hotel design. Are colors essential elements of your design concept? Apart from classic colors, our LS990 series is also available as a worldwide exclusive in the 63 architectural shades of Le Corbusier. So we've talked a lot about the aspects of visible devices and components. Now let's turn to the technology behind it all. For all of this to work, the hotel building needs rail mounting devices for the distribution system that controls your smart hotel in the background. The device topology is specially equipped for secure hotels. Push buttons are sensors, and these sensors send a command to the actuators, which then turn on or dim the lights, for example. Apart from manually controlled sensors, there are also event-triggered sensors. Examples of these include a motion detector, a presence detector, and weather stations. With our G and I socket, Jung is directly responding to the needs of international guests. It combines the British G socket with the I socket, used in Australia, China, and Argentina, among others. This is how it covers all of the connection options of over a third of all countries worldwide. That was just a part of what's possible. Contact us today to discover the best solutions for your conceptual design.